So let's talk about what a Form I-407 is and whether you should sign it or not, and what instances they give you a Form I-407. So I-407 is abandonment of LPR status. So CBP officer is asking you to volunteer to abandon um, your permanent residence. Please be aware of what this is, and please be aware that if you sign it, then you're giving up your green card voluntarily. So you cannot lose your, please note that you cannot lose your LPR status because of time spent outside the US without being allowed to have an immigration judge review the case and review a presumption of abandonment. So the decision with reference to abandonment, if you spent more than a year outside the country, cannot be made by the CBP officer. CBP officer can only ask you to sign this form and voluntarily give up your green card status. But with reference to making a decision, only a judge can make such a decision. So you should ask the officer to um, give you a notice to appear so that you can appear before a judge and the judge can make this decision. Please remember, a judge would usually make this decision more favorably than a CBP officer would. So there is an advantage in asking a judge to make this decision, because a decision like this made by a judge will not be made unless there's irrevocable proof that you intended to abandon your residence.